Clean smarter, not harder, with the HYGEN PULSE Microfibre Cleaning System from Rubbermaid Commercial Products. This innovative system is designed for maximum efficiency, helping you cover more ground in less time. When attaching the HYGEN microfibre mop pads, push the frame onto the mop pad. To detach, place both feet at the ends of the mop pad, but not on the frame, and lift the handle and frame up. Its ergonomic design includes a slim on-board reservoir that can be filled with any cleaning solution you prefer, while the trigger handle ensures a comfortable grip and dispenses 3 powerful streams with each press for fast, effective cleaning. When mopping the floor, use the overlapping figure 8 strokes. Weighing 2.59 kilograms when fully loaded, the HYGEN Microfibre Pulse Mop System is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The durable microfibre mop heads last up to 500 washes, ensuring long-lasting performance. Also available in the Executive Series HYGEN Pulse Microfibre Mop.